Good morning friend. Today we want to start last exercise, that is 5.3, and exercise 5.3 we have already completed question 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want to start. Still now 4 is remaining, 8 is remaining, 9 is remaining, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Up to 15 we have to go the sum. So first of all, when we start this, first of all we have to write the formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L, first formula, or we can say second. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d, and third formula An is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Three formulas we have to remember. Now question is how many terms, so we have to find out n. But here when sum is given, so either I have to use these two formula. ये दो में से कोई एक formula we have to select. So which formula we have to select? This second one, because we want to find out n. Where arithmetic progression is given, so a is equal to 9 and d is equal to 17 minus 9, that is 8. So d is equal to 8, d is equal to 8 and a is equal to 9. Now sum, that is Sn is given, Sn is equal to 636. So we have to make question mark n. So this formula we have to use. So Sn is equal to n by 2. Always write formula to get half marks. कभी भी half marks लेने के लिए just write the formula. You will get automatically half marks. So now Sn is given 636, and that we have to find out. 2 into a, that is 9. N minus 1, that already we want to find out. D, that is given 8. Now 2 should be multiplied with here, so 636 into 2. And 9 to the 18. If I will open this bracket, then 8n minus 8. Now if I simplify this, 8n plus 18 minus 8, that is plus 10, into 636 into 2. Now 636 I will make common into 2. Now if you will see 8 and 10, so between 8 and 10, 2 is common, so I have to make outside 2. Then 4 into n square plus 5n. What I am doing, n should be gone with multiplication. 8 bracket open के हम लोग bracket open करेंगे, तो 8 should be multiplied with 8n into n, that is 8n square, n into 10, that is 10n, but we have to make common 2, so 4n square plus 5n. Now these 2 is easily cancelled. So 636 is equal to 4n square plus 5n. Now 636 should be shift. So 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. So now if you will see, it is a quadratic equation. यहाँ पे quadratic equation बन जाता है, and now we have to make a factor of it. हम लोग अभी उसका क्या करेंगे, factor. So if we will compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 4 and c is equal to 636. So first of all we have to make a factor of 636. So 2 3s are 6, 2 1 जा, 2 8 जा, again 2 1 जा, 2 5 जा, and 2 9 जा, again 3 5 जा, 3 3 जा. So now 53 is a which term? It's a prime number. So 2 into 2 into 3. So 53 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 53 into 2 2 ja 4, 4 4 3 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. So if I will part plus 53 minus 48, we can get plus 5. So now we have to apply from here. That is 53n minus 48n minus 636. Now n is common. So 4n square plus 53 minus 48, sorry, 12 minus 12. Here we have to write 12. Then if I will common n, then 4n plus 53 minus 12, then 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. So n minus 12 and 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say n is equal to 12 and n is equal to minus 53 by 2. It is not possible. So answer is n is equal to 12. Important sum, or we can say also tough sum it is, but we have to understand properly. Again I am explaining. वापिस एक बार हम लोग सीख लेते हैं. जब अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन दिया गया था 19, 17, 25 और सम दिया गया था SN is 636. अगर सम दिया रहता है, A दिया रहता है, D दिया रहता है, तो SN में हम लोग वैल्यू पुटअप करके n फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन if we simplify this on that time, we can get one quadratic equation and we have to make a factor of it. Then it is possible to solve this. So again I am explaining. A we have got it, D we have got it, SN we have got it. If I will put the formula at here, then if we simplify it, we have some quadratic equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636, and we have to make a prime factor of, we can get answer. So I think it is tough sum. It is your responsibility that you have to write. I think you have to write this sum. So when I am explaining with them, you have to write the continue. Now we go for next sum, that is 8. Already 5th, 6th, 7th we have completed. Find the sum of first 51 term of AP whose second term and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. So what I have to find out? Sum of first 51 term. So S51 is equal to dash. That we have to find out. Now what is given? Second term means A2 is given. A2 is equal to 14. And A3 is given is equal to 18. A2 is equal to 14. A3 is equal to 18. By using this, we have to find out A and D, because if I want to put formula in SN, n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D. So we know that A we have to find out, D. By using this, A2 is equal to 14 दिया गया है, तो A2 means what? A plus D. That is 14. A3 means what? A plus 2D is equal to 18. So by using these two equation, we got A and D. ये दो इक्वेशन को हम यूज करके A और D फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं by elimination method, or we have to put value of A is equal to 14 minus D in equation number 2. Two ways we can done it. Two different way we can solve it. A plus D is equal to 14. A plus 2D is equal to 18. So minus, minus, minus. So we have got minus D is equal to minus 4. Therefore D is equal to 4. We have got D is equal to 4. So D is equal to 4. I have to put in equation A plus D is equal to 14. Now A plus 4 is equal to 14. So A is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. So two things we have to find out. ये क्वेश्चन के लिए हम लोग को A, N and D. So N is already we have know. N दिया गया था क्वेश्चन में 51. A we have to find out. हम लोग ने find out कर लिया 10. D वो भी find out कर लिया 4. Now we have to put all these three value in the above equation. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2. 2 into A, that is 10 into 2. 51 minus 1, that is 50. Into D, that is 4. So 51 by 2. Here it is 20. Here it is 200. So 51 by 2 and 2, 20. So if I will cancel it, then 51 multiplied by 110. So 110 into, so always remember 51 into 11, it is easy. 1, 5, again 1, 5. So 5, 6, 1, 0. That is sum of 51 term. Sum of 51 term क्या आंसर मिलेगा? 5610. How we have get it? Second term is given, that is A2 is equal to 14. Third term is given, that is A3 is equal to 18. By using these two equations, A plus D is equal to 14, A plus 2D is equal to 18. So A plus D is equal to 14, A plus 2D is equal to 18. By elimination method, we have to remove A by changing the sign. Sign change करेंगे तो A उसमें से remove हो जाएगा. So plus D minus 2D, that is minus D. Plus 14 minus 18, that is minus 4. So D is equal to 4. If I will put this value A D is equal to 4 in A plus D is equal to 14, we can get value A is equal to 10. Now three values at a time we have to put simultaneously, that is N is equal to 51, A is equal to 10, D is equal to 4. अगर वो तीनों तीन वैल्यू एक साथ हम लोग इक्वेशन में रखेंगे S51 में, तो we have to get answer 5610. So it is also a good sum. I think this arithmetic progression is how useful. वो कहाँ कहाँ यूज होता है, तो कि हम लोग उसमें प्लस सीख सकते हैं. If you will see that we have understand एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन, प्लस माइनस करना सीखा, मल्टीपल करना सीखा और डिवाइड करना सीखा. सो डीमास जो हमारा है, डिविजिबल, मल्टीपल, एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन, वो चार ही मैथ्स के बेस है. तो मैथ्स के बेस हम लोग ये चैप्टर थ्रू सीख सकते हैं. दैट इज वाई दिस चैप्टर हैज इम्पोर्टेंट. आई थिंक यू हैव टू राइट दिस ऑल्सो. This is the last lecture for me now. Question number 9. Sum of first 7 term of AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 289. Find the sum of first n term. So Sn we have to find out. Formula for Sn. So what is given? That we have to first write. What is given? S7 is equal to given, that is 49. S17 given, that is 289. and we have to find out Sn is equal to dash. अगर देखा जाए या सोचा जाए तो S7 49, तो 7 square is 49. S17 मतलब 17 square is 289. Then S7 is equal to n square. ये आंसर आना चाहिए. It is a shortcut method. But we have to give proof of it. उसका proof हमें देना पड़ता है. S7 is equal to 49. S17 is equal to 289. So first of all, again I have to write formula Sn. 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now if you will see what I have to find out, a and d I have to find out, because in S and what we have to put a and d. So here a and d is not given. So by using S7 is equal to 49. So n is equal to 7. So 49, S7 is 49. So 49, 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1, that is 6d. Now 49 multiply by 2. 49 multiply by 2 and divided by 7 is equal to, if I will make common 2, then a plus 3d. Or we can also put as it is, 2a plus 6d we can also put, or we have to make common again 2. So these 2 is also cancelled and 7 sevens are. So 7 is equal to a plus 3d. That is one equation. Now again Sn, I have to write n by 2 formula, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now Sn, that is 289, that is 17 by 2. 2a plus 17 minus 1, that is 16d. So 289 into 2 divided by 17 is equal to, again make common 2 outside, so a plus 8d. So these 17s are and 2 cut. So 17 is equal to a plus 8d. That is equation number 1 and equation number 2. वापिस एक बार सिखा देते हैं क्या रखने का, S7 का वैल्यू रखने का. S7 का 49 वैल्यू था, n का वैल्यू 7 था, a और d एज इट इज था. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके 2 कॉमन निकालेंगे तो 7 is equal to a plus 3d, that is our equation. So by comparing these two equations by elimination method, we have to easily get answer a and d. So minus, minus, minus. So here we have to cancel it. Minus 5d is equal to minus 10. So d is equal to 2. By putting d is equal to 2, d is equal to 2, put in, that is a plus 3d is equal to 7. So if I will put 2 at here, so a is equal to 7 minus 6, that is a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2. A is equal to 1, d is equal to 2. Again we have to put in now Sn and we have to get answer of Sn. So again now Sn is equal to n by 2. 2 into a, already a have 1, n minus 1, d is equal to 2. So n by 2 If I will open that bracket, then 2 plus 2n minus 2. So this is cancel. N by 2 into 2n. This cut. So answer is n square. So Sn is equal to n square. So already we have a shortcut method. S749, it is a square of 7. S17289 is a square of 17. Thus Sn is equal to n square, we can get answer. But we have to solve it. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या करके दिखाया है, उसको पूरा सॉल्व करके दिया गया है. अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, इट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. मैं वापिस दोहराता हूँ. हम लोग क्या इसके अंदर सीख रहे हैं? ऑलवेज प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड डिविजिबल. देखो यहाँ पे डिविजिबल भी किया, मल्टीपल भी किया, प्लस भी किया, माइनस भी किया, एंड ब्रैकेट ओपन भी कर दिया बोर्ड पास. आई थिंक यू हैव टू राइट दिस सम ऑल्सो. नाउ 10th. So 2 sums are there in 10th. I have to attend any one and you have to attend another. So first I am attending an is equal to 3 plus 4n. Find sum of 15 terms. So I have to find out S15. So before we find out S15, हमें क्या find out करना पड़ेगा? A and D. Because n is given but A and D is not given. If I will put formula of Sn, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So how I can find out a and d? So a is equal to question mark, d is equal to also question mark, a and d question mark, n is given. So how we can find out this? By using a n formula, 3 plus 4n. Now a1, so I have to put n is equal to 1. That is 3 plus 4, that is 7. So a1 is equal to 7. Now again an is equal to 3 plus 4n. Again a2, 3 plus 4 into 2, that is 11. So a2 is equal to 11, a1 is equal to 7, a2 is equal to 11. So we have got arithmetic progression now, that is 7, 11. Now difference is, if you will see the difference is, so d is equal to a2 minus a1. So 11 minus 7, that is 4. So I have to add 4. So arithmetic progression we have. Arithmetic progression मिल गया, 7, 11 and 15. अभी क्या करेंगे? We have to put in formula Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Sn, S15 we have to find out. 15 by 2, 2a, that is 7, 15 minus 1, that is 14, d, that is 4. So 15 by 2, 7 2 is 14 and 56. 14 4 is 56. 56 plus 15, that is 70. So divided by 2, so we can get 35. So 15 into 35. So 35 into 10 करेंगे तो 350. 350 का हाफ करेंगे तो 175. So we can get 525. So 525 is a answer of S15. So you will imagine that हम लोग एक एक sum I am explaining, एक एक sum explain कर रहा है, or you will see that every time I am explaining with proper way. So first again arithmetic progression, we have to get 7, 11, 15 by using A1. We have to get 7. Put value of n is equal to 1 to find out A1. Put value of n is equal to 2 to find out A2. And difference we can find out by A2 minus A1. And then applying this formula in Sn, we have get Sn is equal to 525. Now we go for next. Find the sum of first n terms of AP in 4n minus n square. What is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of first two term? That is S2. What is second term? That is A2. And similarly third and fourth term. ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो एकदम सिंपल है लेकिन पढ़ने में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगता है. If you will read it, it is difficult. But if you try to solve yourself, it is too much easy. First of all, the sum of first n terms of Sn is given. That is 4n minus n square. Now first term, that is S1. But always remember A is the initial term. It is also A. It is also A1 or it is also S1. Because first term is always A. First term is A1 also and sum of first term is also S1. Now here by putting S is equal to 1 we can find out first term. So 4 minus 1 that is 3. So S1 is equal to 3. S1 means what? A is equal to A1 is equal to S1 is equal to 3. Now, what is the second term? So first of all, I have to find out S2. So Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. S2, that is 4 into 2 minus 2 square. That is 8 minus 4. That is 4. S2. So S2 is equal to 4. Now what is the meaning of S2? Sum of two terms, that is A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. Now A1 plus A2. So A1 that is 3. So 3 plus A2 is equal to 4. So A2 is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore A2 is equal to 1. ये जो A2 1 है अभी हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट D. So now D is equal to A2 minus A1. So D is equal to A2 that is 1 minus A1 that is 3. So D is equal to minus 2. So difference we have got, difference is equal to minus 2. So first term A1 that is 3, A2 that is 1. So we can get arithmetic progression now. What is second term? That we have got. First term sum of two terms, that also we have got sum of two terms, that is our answer. Now similarly find third term to find out A3. What is the meaning of A3? A plus 2D. So already we have A and D. So A is equal to 3. 2D is equal to 1. Minus 2, sorry, D is equal to minus 2. So that is 3 minus 4. That is minus 1. So A3 is minus 1. Same thing A10. We can also find out A10. That is A plus 9D. That is A. That is first term. That is 3. D that is minus 2. So 3 minus 18, that is minus 15. So A10 is equal to minus 15. Now S, what is the nth term? So AN. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So A means what? That is already we have 3. And we have to put as it is. and D is equal to minus 2. So 3 minus 2n plus 2. So we can get 5 minus 2n. So an is equal to 5 minus 2n. So statement is complication, but आंसर इज टू मच इजी. अगर देखा जाए तो S1 फाइंड आउट करने का, S1 वही हमारा A रहता है, वही हमारा A1 रहता है. उसके बाद S2 फाइंड आउट करेंगे. S2 मतलब दो टर्म का एडिशन, दैट इज A1 प्लस A2 इज इक्वल टू 4. तो A2 भी फाइंड आउट हो गया. सो A1 A2 से वी कैन गेट डिफरेंस D. सो D भी मिल गया. आफ्टरवर्ड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट A3, A10 and AN. So we can get AN is equal to 5 minus 2n. So now here we go further. I think it is easy, you have understand it. Already I am giving 5 to 10 minutes per sum. So it is, you can easily understand this. Now 12, 13 and 14 all are similar type of sum. That is why I am writing in 1. I am writing in 1. So what we have to find out, I will give the hints only, so we can easily complete it. Sum of the first 40 positive integer. So S40 we have to find out. So to find out the first Sn, we have to write the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. ये फॉर्मूला था हमारा. So S40 फाइंड आउट करने का, तो sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. So first term, that is multiple of 6 or divisible of 6, it is 6. So 6, 12, 18, 24 table of up to the 40 term. So start from the 1, 6 1 6, 6 up to the 46, 4 240. So 40 into 6, 240. That is our last term. So first term is given, that is A we have already get 6. D we have already get 6. Last term, that is AN, or we have to say AL, that is 240. So you have to put this formula Sn is equal to n by 2. Now we can change the formula. n by 2 A plus L. यहाँ पे रखेंगे तो जल्दी आंसर मिलेगा. So that is question number 12. So you can now solve by this formula. S40 is equal to 40 by 2 A plus L, that is 6 plus 240. Now you have to try it yourself. Now question number 13. Find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8. So as 15 I have to find out. Now multiple of 8, that is 8, 16, 24, dash dash dash, 15 8s are 120. So again same, A is equal to 8, D is equal to 8, and AN is equal to L is equal to 120. So you can also solve by S15 is equal to 15 by 2 A plus L, that is 8 plus 120. Now question number 14. Find the sum of odd number between 0 to 50. So start from 1, 3, 5, 7 up to the 49. So again we can get A is equal to 1, D is equal to 2. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 to. So first of all, what we have to find out? N. So by using AN, A plus N minus 1 D, we can find out N. So 49 is equal to 1 plus N minus 1 3, difference is 2. So 49 minus 1, that is 48, divided by 2 is equal to N minus 1. So 24 plus 1 is equal to N. So N is equal to 25. Put now N is equal to 25. AN is equal to L is equal to 49. A, D and N is given. We can find out again N by 2, A plus L. So this is the last lecture. All some related with the text according to the board syllabus of Gujarat government we have completed. Now in next lecture we can see the board sum related with it, or maybe possible we have to start the new lesson. Now you have to complete anyhow your fair book, that is 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3.